So, Friday evening. Normally, I'm not at home, but I have one of my children here, so I'm home. So, sunny day today. Why not? That was a sunny day. I love it. I had walking 2 hours, clear my mind, doing stuff, walking here in the wood nearby, and charge myself. Just put on a tree and let the energy flow. Enjoy it. Uh, Making fun. That's the most important of what to do. So my energy is now high. Very, yeah, very easy. Also did talk with someone today and let them feel. And so just put your hands between my. Huh? It's getting warm. Yeah, it's normal. Same with a tree. I had to contact. I feel it in my feet, like the other person in the hands. Yeah, I feel it in my hand. I feel it in my feet. First in the belly, then in the legs, then in the feet. I say, yeah, every tree has also an energy flow. Use it. Go in nature. So important. Make the things you like. Do the things you like. Same of many others say. Example, Bashar. Do the things you like, and every time a little bit more what you like. And do the things you really have fun with. There are so many things. Also, for me, today, some appointment was away. Lucky for me, I don't really wanted it because I did ask for not today, please. And this morning, yeah, the person is not there. We make a new appointment. Hey, great! Hey, my day saved. Well, it doesn't matter. Still have to clear some stuff. Just clear that stuff. So it will be another day. Maybe in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. That's also I only can do that on Fridays because then I work from home in home office, and the other days, yeah, not almost not possible. But so it be, so it is. So today I will charge myself. I'm full of good vibe, good energy. Just feel it, try it, enjoy it, and I will set my intention. So have fun. Remember, you don't have to feel anything. But if you feel it, tell me where. Because it is different by people. Some do feel warmth, some do feel cold, some will feel all the body tingles. So my intention for today is you feel loved. Because that's important. The most important part is you must love yourself, and everything else will follow. I also have to learn it, to love myself. It was hard. I think I also did search it outside of me and not inside of me. And try it. Try to find your love in yourself. Pay attention to your heart. Pay attention to your body. I do it many times a day. Just focus me on my heart. Just focus on my kidneys. Just focus on my legs, on my arms, on my head, on my ears, on my eyes. Doesn't matter. Where? Most important is here. This has so much energy and so much magnetic. Even if you put your finger so close and you look at it, you will see that there's a energy around your fingers. There's an energy around us. Everyone, even trees. Some people can see them, see auras. Uh, Not me. I feel them mostly. I feel what people, if something is okay or not okay, and I can check them by people and help them to solve them. Because you also have points, energy points in your body, and if there's a blockage of energy, a trauma, I also had them. I have to clear them also by myself. That's why I know what I'm doing. I know where to search, what to do, and that's practice. Everything we can and everything we do is practice. Look, we can walk. Why? We can talk. Why? We can read. We can write. We did practice, 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 practice. Everything is practice. So use it. If you want something, practice it. And the results will be there. So, have a nice evening. It's almost what's the time? What's the date in English? Of Dutch, is 23:28. Almost 11:30 in the evening. So that was it. So have a nice day and enjoy life. Goodbye.